Hey everyone, Mike Nardi here. Today I have a pretty quick video for you all, but a video that I think might give you some really helpful tips if you're a freelancer trying to make money online. So Fiverr recently released its 5th Small Business Needs Index, which basically analyzes the fastest growing search trends based on the millions of searches that happen on Fiverr and uses this data to predict what's trending and what's important for small businesses around the world. If you're wondering, how will this help me make money on Fiverr? Well, it gives you some great insight into what small businesses are looking for on Fiverr. And if you can target your gigs to cater to those insights, common sense says that's you setting yourself up for success, right? That's you giving yourself the best opportunity to cater to the potential business needs of your potential clients. It's definitely information you want to consider. The report revealed 2 dominant categories. Web3 related searches, which for those of you who aren't familiar, is basically a term that describes a vision of the internet that is decentralized, based on blockchain, and takes advantage of things like token economics and smart contracts. On a basic level, think of it as things like crypto, NFTs, ICOs, blockchain projects, things like that. The second dominant category that it uncovered was business expansion services, which indicates that a lot of businesses are looking for the types of services that would help them grow, whether it be building their brand online, building a social media following, marketing, outbound prospecting, whatever it might be. Businesses are searching for services that will help them grow by hiring a third-party freelancer. Specifically, things like creating promotional videos, social media content, and no-code website development. So what do you do with this information? Well, if you're already offering gigs that are loosely related to any of the broad categories I just discussed, it might make sense to double down on those, because Fiverr itself is doubling down on business. And the proof is that they've already created a Fiverr business category, and the fact that they're doing things like this small business needs index shows that it's important to them to figure out what their business clients want. So it only makes sense that as freelancers, if we can hitch our wagon and attach on to what Fiverr's doing when it comes to catering to businesses, it's probably going to give us a good chance of making money. They want to hone in on what's trending, and us freelancers should want to do the same. So let me know in the comments below if you plan on acting on any of the information I provided you in this video. I'll also link below to the press release so you can read up on this in greater detail. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and until next time, cheers.